Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Soil Erosion and Conservation. Now, before telling you the meaning of soil erosion and conservation, I want to discuss something with you. The first is, what is soil? Yes, can you tell me that what is the meaning of soil? Yes, in common sense, you will say mitti. Now, what is soil? Soil is the topmost layer of Earth's surface. It consists of sand, silt, clay, minerals, humus, air, and water. Now, students, do you know that soil is known as the foundation of all life on earth? Foundation means which supports the life. Now, why do it is known so? Means why the soil is known as foundation of all life on earth. I'll explain you. Think that what do we need to survive? Yes, food. And from where do we get this food? Yes, plants. And students, where do these plants grow? Plants grow on this soil only. So in this way, soil is necessary for our survival and thus is known as foundation of life on earth. Now, how this soil is formed? Students, the formation of soil is a very long process. First of all, due to weathering. Now, what is weathering? Weathering is the changing weather conditions, like sometimes heat is there, rain, wind, storms, all these. The changing weather conditions is known as weathering. So, sometimes weathering leads to develop cracks in rocks and their breakage into small pieces. Now these small pieces with the time broke into further more smaller pieces. Then these pieces are carried away by wind. And when they are carried away by wind, these particles get rubbed with each other and become more tiny, more small. After many years, these particles mix with sand, silt, humus to form soil. So in this way, soil is formed. Now this soil, that is the top layer, gets removed by natural factors of wind, rain and running water and gets shifted from one place to another place, which is a natural process. But when this process gets fastened, it is termed as soil erosion. Now, at places of natural vegetation, there is a balance between the formation of soil and loss of soil. But this balance is disturbed by human efforts or by natural disasters. Now, soil erosion put many effects, like because of soil erosion, land loses its fertility because the upper layer of soil has manure and many more fertilizers in that. So when soil is removed or the upper layer of soil is removed, the land loses its fertility and thus the proper crops can't be produced. If proper crops are not produced, then farmers reap poor harvests, which leads to ultimately malnutrition in human beings because we only eat that crop and it doesn't contain proper minerals. So, directly or indirectly, soil erosion affects us. Now, what are the main factors which cause soil erosion? First is running water. Now, heavily flooded rivers, running water down the hills, and normal running water of rains, they all carry soil from one place to another and thus causes a lot of soil erosion. For example, Chambal Valley in Madhya Pradesh, it causes a lot of soil erosion. Then there are many more factors also. Now, how the running water down the hill causes it? A fast river coming down the hill becomes slow at the plain. Thus, it leaves the part of soil on its way. Over a time, soil gets collected and makes the river changes its course, which changes the nature of soil of that particular area and which affects a lot the life of people living in that area. For example, the Yellow River, that is the Huanghe in China, is known as Sorrow of China because it changes its course soon. In India also, in Bihar, there is a river Kosi which changes its course. The next factor which causes soil erosion is wind. We all know that wind takes away the upper layer of soil with it. Sometimes manure is too blown away with it, which again affects the fertilizing power of that particular soil. Sometimes if the wind is too fast, or we can say if storm is there, then roots of the plants also came out and the plants die. And another factor, yes, we people, that is human interference. The first is deforestation, that is the cutting of trees. Another is plowing of hill slopes and overgrazing by kettles. All are these activities just increases the fact of soil erosion. So students, this finishes with the today's lecture. We will continue the topic in next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.